Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tabs on the pre-attached adapter. Using your index fingernails, pull both release tabs towards you. The pre-attached adapter will tilt towards you and disengage from the blade. Discard it. Locate adapter BC and position it so that the release tabs face up. Tilt adapter BC back into the cavity in the blade until it clicks in place. Both release tabs must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Press the tab on the front of adapter B. Lift shim C off of adapter B and discard it. Hold your thumb firmly on the front of the adapter, raising the back end up. Align the sidearm tabs with the side tabs on the back end of the adapter and raise the blade into the underside of the arm. Rotate the blade up until the tip of the arm locks underneath the adapter tab. The adapter must lock onto the arm where indicated. Before use, make sure the wiper blade and adapter are locked onto the wiper arm.